What's up, YouTube? So I was looking online trying to figure out how to fix my MacBook. It was beeping 3 times, black screen, wouldn't turn on. It's happened to me before about 2 years ago, and I kind of just left it and everything restarted, and so the issue came up again. And quick and straight to the point, I looked up, most videos and advice on success stories were to take the back panel apart, reset the RAM, pull it out, clean it, put it back together. There's an issue hardware, something in there going on. Well, I was planning to do that, but decided let's go with the software reset route before. And how you do that is Option Command P and R. Hold those 4 keys down simultaneously. While holding them down, press and release the power button and continue holding those 4 keys for about 20 seconds. Through that duration, you should either hear 1 chime or 2 chimes. If you hear 2 chimes, you can release and it should turn on. If you only hear 1 time, just leave the 4 keys pressed through that duration. And mine was the latter. It only chimed once, or it made the noise, and that for me is just what mine sounds like, and that's the chime or the restart for me. Sometimes it'll do the Apple thing, but anywho, it was a quick fix, and I didn't have to get out all my my small screwdrivers and deal with taking it all apart. So we'll see how long it lasts. Hopefully another 2 years, but it is an old MacBook and maybe I just need a new one. But anyway, I hope this helps someone out there that's struggling with the same issue, and I hope you all have a great day. Thanks.